Hi guys, Andrew here, and tonight we're going to do a movie review. It's about Pisay. The movie is called Pisay. 2000, ano siya? Published tuloy. Lumabas siya yung 2007. Starred by Regine Domingo. Regine Domingo ba? Sorry, maligaw. So, let's start. And, okay. The movie is all about, tawag, experiences of students and faculty in the last 10 years ata yun. In the last 10 years of dictatorship, and six students. 6% ata yun, yung Pope, like, hati siya sa freshman, sophomore ata yun, to junior, at sa senior, apat ata yun. Kasi hindi ko na matandaan masyado. Yun. Then, ayun yung masasabi ko. The like, experience, yung nila, mga experience nila. Then, sa naman, team ng movie, sa movie team, I think the theme is acceptance, love, or knowledge, experiences. Ayun ata yun eh. Hindi. Tama. The yun eh, team. The tapos yung trying to tell us is about sa experience ng mga estudyante noon, pati faculty sa panahon ng dictatorship, mga huling panahon ng dictatorship. Now, this does this does this happen in reality? Well, yes, it happens on reality. Kasi naman it happens on reality dahil it happens on reality because marami ding student doon na katulad ni sino nga ba yun? Yung sa sophomore, nakalimutan ko kung sino character sa sophomore eh. Sa part ng sophomore. Pero siya, constant, ay parang nawalan siya dun ng motivation or gana mag-aral. Like, may problema siya sa geometry class niya, sa, tawag dun, sa dorm niya, nabubully siya, bullying sa dorm, and, tama, bullying sa dorm katulad nun. However, even when he, yung na-expelled siya dun, parang mas gumaan pa rin yung niya, yung pakiramdam niya. Ayun. Tapos third question tuloy. Parang Q&A dito ah. Yung key points ng movie, I think sa bawat part is for me, sila, yung sa una, sa freshman, yung kinausap ng teacher, yung dalawang estudyante, si Rom at Wena, yung dalawang character sa first part, the freshman, kinausap niya si Rom about sa relationship niya kasi masyado pa siyang bata at maraming pang dapat matutunan at ma-experience. So, no need to rush about relationship too. Katulad ng rin kay Wena. Like, ewan ko, nakalimutan ko yung about kay Wena eh. Okay, tapos, yung sa sophomore din, kay sa isa, nakalimutan ko talaga yung pangalan nun. Siya, he's failing siya sa geometry class niya. And the constant bullying in his dorm, kung saan siya nag-i-stay. Then yung expulsion niya sa huli, kahit he did his best. Kahit na nawalan siya ng gana, he did his best. Yung tatlo sila doon na na-expelled. Hindi ko alam kung sino yung tatlo. Ay, yung dalawa. Pero, as the last stay niya doon, ng sophomore, ng main character ng sophomore, siya, kinomfort niya na lang yung dalawa muna. Kinomfort niya, tama. Kinomfort niya. Then, dun sa bully niya, yung nambubuli sa kanya, as the last act of revenge, pinakailaman niya yung project, I think. Hindi. Yung experiment, tama. Yung experimental project ng bully niya sa dorm. And, not gonna lie, I was satisfied nung nakita kong nakatake siya ng revenge. Then, tapos naman yung kay tama lang. Yun sa dalawang key points lang na naaalala ko ng maigi. Ata. Tama. Ayun lang yung naaalala ko. Then, sa wait lang. Tapos, okay, sa sunod na question na pala tayo. Sorry. Medyo nalutang ako dun. Kaya, ito, tuloy na natin. Yung sa last part, last part tuloy. Nakalimutan ko. Yung, I learned, marami akong natutunan sa movie na to. Sa learning. I learned that no need to rush into relationship because you have as a young man, we still have a lot to experience, to learn and to experience at to do. So let's enjoy, but don't forget to enjoy it too. But also don't forget to follow your don't forget to follow your dreams. Make it not a dream, make it a reality. And also, even if you fail, what matters the most is the experience. Because experience makes us grow and learn. So what if you fail so many times? If you just keep go, what are you going to do if you always keep tawag doon? So what if you keep growing? So what if you keep failing? Experience matter. So by experience, you will know what to do and what not to do. That's the most for me. What did I learn about the movie? What did I learn from the movie? So yes, that's all for tonight. Ang abruptly ng pagkaka-ending nito. Sorry guys So I'll see you the next I'll see you on the next one. So goodbye.